Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. For this one, we need to consider about the limit on the right and the limit on the left. So we have the formula in here. So for this one, we can see that cosine 3x, that is about cosine 3x over number 2 multiplied by number 2. So this is about capital 8 and this is about number 2 in here. Now we need to transform this one into this one, and we have like this. So number 1 minus number 1, you got number 0, negative and negative, we have positive. Next, we have the second formula in here. So we have the square root and the power number 2. So we need to transform this one into this one. The square root of number 2 we keep the same. So s approach to number 0 on the right. So on the right of this side of 3s over number 2, there's still about the positive value. So that means if we simplify this one, we can put about the positive. Next, we divide by s on numerator and denominator. So this one I will put 3 over 2 cone here and 3 over 2 cone here. Now we have the formula in here. So when s approaches to number 0, this one that is about tan of 1s over 1s, and this one equals to number 1. This one equals to number 1. So if we simplify, we have like this. So this is the value of this limit in here, but on the left we have a little bit different. That is about the absolute value in here. So this one you got about negative side of 3s over number 2, because as approach to number 0 on the left of this one, there's still about the negative. That's why we need to put the negative cone here. So I just copy this one and I will change like this. So we can see that on the right, on the left, they are different. So we can say that the limit does not exist. This is the end. Thank you for watching.